Whether it's through social media influence such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or an online store or a dropshipping business, you can build your own online business from home too. And I'm about to tell you how you can start. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Laju. If you're new here, you are highly welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Before I go into today's video, I would just like to ask that you kindly like my video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. So a few weeks back, I uploaded a video about passive income ideas and I got quite a number of feedback from different platforms about this video. Hence, you can consider this as a follow-up to that video. I am glad to announce that this video is proudly sponsored by FunnelPire. So who is today's video for? Today's video is for the following groups of people. You have an online business, but you need help trying to scale it up. 2, you have an online business, but you know it's not thriving. 3, you have no clue about online businesses. You would like to start and grow your online business and build a thriving and successful one. 4, you think an online business is something you might be interested in starting in the future. Then this video is for you. If there's anything we've learned during this pandemic, it's the importance of having an online platform, a thriving online business. Daily, we hear in the news about so many global brands closing shop, while many online shops are still thriving. Let's take a look at Zoom, for instance. At the start of the pandemic, Zoom founders' net worth had increased by $4 billion, barely 1 month after the global pandemic, after the global lockdown all around the world. This is the power of having an online presence. This was just in March 2020, 31st of March 2020, when Zoom made the headlines. Also, recently, Miss Selfridges was taken over by a thriving online store, ASOS. This was just on the news on 1st of February 2021 about ASOS buying out Topshop and Miss Selfridge brands for £330 million. Now, that is the power of having an online business. Now, ASOS is just an online retailer, but they were able to buy out these big brands. Now, these big brands have shops all around the UK, yet they were sold. Also, Boo bought Debenhams. These are all online stores buying giant brands. How the mighty are falling. So why are these giant brands closing shop while the online ones are thriving? The major difference between them is that the online stores don't have a physical presence. They don't have the responsibilities of rent or lease, paying more employers and the likes. My point is, we are now in the digital generation where more people are building successful online businesses from their homes. Whether it's through social media influence such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or an online store or a dropshipping business, you can build your own online business from home too. And I'm about to tell you how you can start. So what is FunnelPire? FunnelPire is an online educational and learning platform that teaches you how to start and grow a successful online business. The amazing thing about this platform is that it is completely free to register. So here we are on FunnelPire website. So if you want to start an online business, for instance, and you have no clue where to start from, FunnelPire is the place to go. FunnelPire has created templates. They've created a foundation for you to start. So you're not struggling with, oh, what should I do? How should I do it? For instance, if you want to write an ebook and you don't even have a clue how to go about it, FunnelPire, they've done all the work for you. They give you templates. They do everything for you. All you have to do really is, become a member, register for free, become a member, and then in a few days you are set and ready to start selling your ebook. They teach you how to market it, how to build your email list, all these basic things that people struggle with, because a lot of online businesses struggle with these initial things. But FunnelPire has built everything from scratch, and you don't have to worry about the fundamental things because they've done the work for you. If it's an online course, they have structures, templates. They make it so easy. There's also one-on-one conversation. So you have a support group throughout. You are not alone. There's a Facebook group. You are supported throughout your journey to ensure that your business thrives. They are very passionate about helping online businesses thrive. So you should really check them out. Another amazing thing about FunnelPire is that you can also earn money through commissions. So you learn yourself and then you refer and you earn commissions. It's affiliate marketing. If you're familiar with affiliate marketing, which is great. So, for everybody you refer to FunnelPire, you actually get a commission, which is amazing also. I like that about them. There are also a couple of reviews on the website that you find very encouraging and useful. So if you want to start any kind of online business, FunnelPire is an online training, educational and learning platform that teaches you how to start your online business or market your existing business effectively online. With FunnelPire, you also have opportunity to create additional streams of income and make more money using your done-for-you products and systems. I'm telling you, you won't regret joining the system. You can register right now using the link in my description box. I'll paste the link below. And when you register, you get access to these life-changing resources. If you decide to upgrade, they run a membership platform. Now, this membership platform gives you lifetime access to these resources. Once you pay, you get access to not just one, but all the resources that you need to build your successful online business. Like I mentioned before, this video is proudly sponsored by FunnelPire, so please kindly check out their details in my description box and register for free. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Bye.